Hello everyone, this is Prabhakaran. Hope you all doing good and fine. In this video, we are going to see one special content, that is how parents can block certain websites from children without installing or without using any specialized software. For non-techie parents who have a computer at home and worried about their kids' safety online because many children are spending too much time on internet. Most of the parents' worries are not just about children wasting time on the internet, it's more about the activities that children are doing on these sites. Basically, the parents concerned that children could be interacting with complete strangers or online predators, and even though sharing some personal information such as their images or else the videos. Parental control software is pretty good, but they cost money. Finally, to block websites on your home computer without investing in expensive software, here in this video we are going to see some tricks over there, especially for the Windows user. Let's see that. Windows host files allows us to block websites very easily. Now, not with any concern, I'm going down with any one website and we can perform the block operation, and let's see what is going to happen. Okay, now just type as www.amazon.com. I'm just going down with this particular website. Now you can see all contents are available here. Now I'm going to block this website. Let's see what are the steps we have to follow to perform that operation. So Windows host file is available in this particular location. You have to go to C drive, under that Windows, under that System32, again drivers and etc. Under that etc folder you can see that host file. We are going to add the contents over there to block this particular website. Let's see that. So go to my computer and click on local disk C. Now under that Windows, okay, now under that we are going to click on Windows, again System32, now driver. Under System32 you have to click driver folders. Under that you can see a folder name etc. Okay, so click on that, where you can see n number of files over there. In this we are going to modify the file name called as host. So to perform the modification we have to copy this particular path. So copy this particular path, go to Windows start menu and type as notepad. Right click the notepad and click on run as administrator. You have to perform this operation using the admin rights. So open the notepad and go to file, open. Now you can paste the path here and give a backslash. You can see all the available files over there in that particular folder. Click on the host and open. Now you have to type this following content to host file and to block that particular website as an IP address of 127.0.0.1 and space the domain name. Now we are going to block Amazon, right? So amazon.com. Again you have to type as 127.0.0.1 space that particular website name, amazon.com. okay, so now go to file and click on save. Yeah, now let's check with that particular website. Just go to the browser and reload this particular page. Now you can see that this site cannot be reached. The particular site is blocked. Let's check with some other browser too. Now this particular website is opened in amazon.com. Now I'm going to open down the same with Mozilla. Let's check that, www.amazon.com. Yeah, you can get the same result that is unable to connect to this particular website. In this way, you can block any inappropriate website which is not suitable for your children. Yeah, thank you so much for your patience listening. Do good, be good, stay connected with KIT and visit Talam for more interesting videos in related to science and technology. Thank you.